Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today we're taking a look at this myGEKOgear dash camera. So it does come with a front and rear camera. So we're gonna take a look and see how it works like. It does have some neat features. Let's take a look at the back here. So 1080p front and rear camera, wide angle, 140 front and 140 degree on rear, 3-inch LCD, G sensor, supports up to 128 GB microSD, Wi-Fi app control, we're gonna test that out, parking mode, LDWS, so lane departure warning system, and front collision warning system, and GPS logging, speed limit alert, and WDR, wide dynamic range. So let's go ahead and open this up and test this out. Let's see what's inside the box here. So at the top we do have the manual, we don't need that right now. And here we have the rear camera, which is we can see here, and it comes with a cable. Let's put that away for now. And the actual front dash camera here. It is nice looking. One thing is, before I got this, I know you could like move the front lens here, which is nice, so you can pretty move it any angle you want to. This is you don't really see this on dash cameras, so this is a great features to have. And at the top we do have buttons, and it's not touch screen, so that's one thing to keep in mind. We do have something underneath here as well. So this is the actual thing that goes on top here. Let's just put it up here and see how that looks like. So pretty much you just attach this on the window and then adjust the lens to your liking, and you're all set. So at this thing at the top, so this is also the GPS as well. So we got the USB and the rear camera input, and you're all set on that part. So let's see, on this box we should have all the cables, and we do have all the cables, the power cable and also the rear cable. So let's go ahead and hook this up, and I'm gonna show some video footage from this and you judge the quality for yourself. Looking at that footage doesn't really feel full HD 1080p. There's a little bit pixelation, and also when I'm looking at that, like to find out like the license plate or anything like that, it's kind of a little bit hard to see. But the great thing is it does show like the speed and everything. It does have the GPS logging, which is nice. Definitely you can see how fast you're going and all that stuff, which works great. The front and rear definitely works good. You're able to see it in the monitor here. And as you can see here, right now I have it on, and it has some battery inside of this, so it's not gonna last long. Probably for parking for a few minutes it's gonna record, then it's gonna stop. The battery runs out pretty quickly. So if you end up finding this camera cheap somewhere, definitely I would grab it because it has some of the cool features, like you're able to move the lens here in front. It does have a 140-degree lens, which is nice to see, plus then you're getting the rear camera as well. Let's say someone hits you from the rear, you have it on video, which is very nice. And the other cool thing is we're able to connect the camera with your smartphone too, which I'm gonna show in a bit. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the actual LCD here and some of the features it offers. So let's take a look at some of the options this DashCam has. So in the menu, pretty much you're not able to touch the screen, so it's not touch screen. We do have the buttons which are down here. And so let's go. We have album, Wi-Fi, GPS status, GPS time sync, speed unit, speed alert. So that's a cool thing. You're able to set a speed alert here. So let's go to the next page. So time zone select, LDWS, so that's the lane departure, FCWS, and clock settings, language, stamp, which I usually turn off the stamp, movie mode, EV exposure, like exposure, screensaver, record audio, beep sound, and volume. And on the next page we have the loop recorder, G sensor, parking mode. So parking mode, I had to actually go in there and turn this on because it was off, and you definitely want that part on. And auto power off, WDR, and delete files. So on the last page here we do have the frequency, like if you want to go 50 Hz or 60 Hz, and factory reset, format SD card, version info, and app download. So the app download, pretty much you just scan this if you want to download the app, or the app is called myGEKOgear. Pretty much what you want to do on the app is click connect DVR. So on the home screen we have the Wi-Fi settings. It also tells you the password. So right now I'm just going to go on my phone. We do see Orbit 950 here, and we're going to go ahead and enter the password, which is default 12345678. Click connect. So that's obtaining the IP. So right now just open up the app, you're already connected, connect DVR, and there we go. So network streaming, so we can see the camera here, it's live, which is nice. And let's see the settings here. So taking a look at the settings here, the resolution, we have the 720p, 1080p, and 1296p at 30 frames per second. Obviously you want to click on that one. Record audio, that's up to you. Loop recording, I like to set this at 3 minutes. And TV mode, and format, and default settings. And if I go ahead back here, we're able to view the album. So directly from the phone I'm able to see, and let's say I want to download something to my phone right away, I should be able to. So please download and play. Okay, so I cannot play it straight from the app, so I will need to click in here and click download. So right now it's downloading the clip. That was pretty quick. And let's go ahead and click play. Oh, there goes something, there was something wrong with the app. This app does have a very low rating on the App Store, so let's just go ahead here again and play the footage. So there seems to be an issue with the app here when I try to play the clip back. But you get the idea. Hopefully in the future firmware or like software update they'll fix this part, but everything else works great in here. So you're pretty much able to save that on your phone. You're able to see the clip here, which is nice. Really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Go ahead and click that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If not, thumbs down. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn the notifications on for more videos like this. So I'll see you guys next time.